How to send money from Remitly to bank account. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide on how you can send money from Remitly to bank account. Now the process is quite simple. You want to open up Remitly app and make sure you're logged into your account. Now here make sure to add in your details as well. Now once you log in, you'll get an interface like this. Simply tap on the send option at the bottom of your screen and you'll be able to send it here. You can either send it or you can either add new recipient. I'll just tap on new recipient here. Now once you head into the send option, what you want to do is you want to enter in the amount that you want to send. I'll just select $100 here. You can see I'm sending to the recipient from Nepal here, and on select delivery method, you tap on please select option and then select on bank deposit option since you want to send it to bank. Once you want to select your payment method. You can either send it to your debit or credit card or your bank account as well. Just select one, and then what you want to do is you want to simply tap on continue option. Once you tap on continue option, you'll be able to select the bank account or bank that you want to send the money to. Now enter in your recipient's bank, select in your recipient's bank here. Now make sure it's available before. Now you can see there is a couple of banks available. In my case here in my region, I'll just select this particular bank here, and once you select in, you'll have to enter in their account number and the particular details of their account, and then once you select in and once you add in your payment method, you'll be able to send money. So this way you can send money from Remitly to bank account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.